Hello, we want to solve log 2x to base 5 plus log 256 to base 4 equals to 1. That gives log 2x to base 5 plus 256 can be expressed as 4 to the power of 4. So we have log 4 raised to power 4 to base 4 equals to 1. And from the law of logarithm, we know that when we have the logarithm of x raised to power n to base a equals to n log x to base a. So our equation becomes log 2x to base 5 plus 4 times log 4 base 4, applying that law, equals to 1. And similarly, the logarithm of a number to its own base is 1. So applying that also, our equation becomes log 2x to base 5 plus 4 times 1 equals to 1. And that is log 2x to base 5 plus 4 equals to 1. When we subtract 4 from both sides to have log 2x to base 5 equals to 1 minus 4. And that's log 2x to base 5 equals to negative 3. From the definition of logarithm, if we have the logarithm of m to base a equals to b, it simply means that a raised to the power of b equals to m. So applying that to the equation, our equation becomes 5 raised to power negative 3 equals to 2x. And that is 1 over 5 raised to power positive 3 equals to 2x. 5 raised to power 3 is 125 equals to 2x. And we have to divide both sides by 2. So we divide 1 over 125 by 2, which becomes 1 over 125 times 1 over 2. X then is 1 over 250.